about the core Java. Okay, introduction about the core Java. What is C? What is C++? Okay, some distinct different versions we have seen. Okay, Java J2EE, JC, JME. Okay, so these are the what Java component, or you can say the Java types. Okay, that three is very important: J2EE, JC, and JME. Okay, so enterprise edition means core Java, advanced Java. Okay, JC means core Java, and this is micro edition, mobile edition. Okay, so I have also given the history about short history of the Java. Okay, so the first name is Walkbook, and then now it's a Java. And 2010, the Java is acquired by the Oracle. Okay, the first product of Java, that was Sun Microsystem. Okay, so James Gosling is the founder of Java. Then October 2010, that is Java acquired by the Oracle. Okay, so I have not copy paste here. Okay, so just I'm going to Google it. Before that is what is the product of Sun Microsystem. Okay, it's the 27th January 2010. Okay, so Java is a platform independent feature. Okay, because it's run on the various computer programming language. If you develop the application in the Windows, and this same application can run on the different environment. So that's why more banking projects are developed in the Java. Okay, the banking applications means the bankers are using the application which is most popular, that is developed in the Java. Okay, because it's having the high security, right? So the bankers are using that application which is developed by Java, developed in the Java. Okay, then we see in the some Java file, we written the some small code. Okay, and we have saved this file using the .java. If you written the code in the C, so what extension you use to save the file? C programming language. If you written the coding in C programming language, so what kind of extension you use to save the file? Which extension you use? The file name is saved with what extension? Dot what? File name dot. If you written the program in C and you want to save the file, okay, whenever we are going to write a program in C programming language and we are going to save the file with which extension? Dot what? Yes, file name dot what extension you give? C. Okay, if you written the program in the C programming language, then we use this extension as a file name dot C. Okay, then we are going to execute. If you written the program in C++, which kind of extension we give? Dot dot. Yes, which extension we give? How we are going to save the file? For C, we use the file name dot C. Any file name you can give, and extension should be the dot C. If you written in the code in the C++, then which extension we are going to use? Program name. Okay, dot what extension we use? Yes, correct. CPP. Then if you written the code in the Java, .cpp. Okay, we use the extension as a .cpp. Okay, file name .cpp. Okay, for C++. This is extension is required so that we can execute and compile. Okay, then if you write a code in the Java, so we required .java extension. Okay, that means it's a code. Okay, .java, it's a Java code. So that is mandatory because you are written the code in the Java, so that extension is mandatory. So we created one file, that file name is first, and dot extension that Java, that is represent that this is Java file. So Java compiler get execute. Okay, so we compilation means finding the error. Okay, that is converted into the machine level, and then see if there is no error, so that class file will be created. In that class file, that contains the bytecode. Okay, it's known as a bytecode or machine code. So this is not understood by the human. Already yesterday I have shown you. Then we have the second step to interpret this code, so that we are going to say this is execute. Okay, in C programming language also we are going to execute a program, so it will be first compile and then interpret. C++ also you can compile then interpret. Okay, then we are going to get the output after executing. So I have written this code. Okay, what is the class name here? Demo Java. So I am going to save this file using the extension of demo java.java. Okay, and here having the some code, public static void main, you can say this is the main function, and you have written here the SOP, that is system.out.println. So system S should be capital, out O should be small, and println is a function. Okay, so it is used to print the data on the output. Okay, on the console. So for the C programming language, to print the data, which function we use? To print the data on the output, which function we use in the C programming? Prashant? So printf function is used. Okay, to print the data on the output in the C programming language, we use the printf. In C++, which function is used? Do you know? In C++, we use the cout. Okay, so that in the Java we use the system.out.println. This is the whole statement. Okay, this is the whole statement we use the print the message on the Java. So we read sorry, on the console, so we written in the double quote. Okay, hello Java. So once there is a no error, so we have the two steps here. Okay, in the command prompt we write here the extension, that is what the location which is available in our file, where we have saved this file, the location is important. Okay, file location, that is what file location, we need to go for the file location, C drive, E drive within the folder. Then you have to execute one command, that is what java c. Java c is for compilation, Java compilation. Then file name dot java. So if there is a no error, then that class file will be created. So what is the class name here? Demo dot java. So demo dot java, demo java dot class file will be created. Okay, so demo java dot class file is created. Okay, so then we have to write next step. Okay, next command, in command prompt we return, that is what java then space file class name. What is the class name? Demo java, so that we will get the output. Here is the output. Okay, so we have written here, you can see here the d colon d drive, this one, and we will get the output. So this is what compilation, and this is what execution. This is compiler and this is interpreter. Okay, so this is also done in the jdk, Java development kit. Okay, this is because of the jdk. Okay, we have the three components: jdk, Java development kit, Java runtime environment, and Java virtual machine, which is used to convert the machine code into the human understandable code. Okay, so bytecode into the native operating system understandable. This is JVM, Java virtual machine. Okay, so that's what we have seen in the last class. Now today we are going to see something different. Okay, so what are here the versions? components of the Java. Okay, so save as day 2. Okay, we have three components for the Java. Okay, JDK, GRE, and JVM. So let me show you to install the JDK. Okay, so sometimes you know the something the core Java and advanced Java. Okay, what is the difference between? So everyone that is required a JDK. Okay, advanced Java means there is a no difference between the core Java and advanced Java. Okay, no difference. It's a simply Java. Okay, but institute has divided his course into two parts. That is what core Java and advanced Java. Okay, but it's not a difference core Java and advanced Java. Okay, the only the course is divided into core Java and advanced Java. Core means it's having the core concept. Advanced Java will start with the JDBC. Okay, also the JDBC cover in the core Java. Okay, GSP and servlet. Okay, so here we are going to write a server side programming language so that you can say that you are the Java developer. Okay, you can after completion of this advanced or core plus advanced, so you can become a Java developer. Okay, so we are covering the core Java, and if you are interested for the if you know the manual testing and then you started automation and then you started that, yeah, you know very well core Java, and after that you have started the development. Okay, if you want to become a Java developer, then slowly you can learn the advanced Java, then you can become a Java developer. Okay, you will get a high package one more time. Okay, so this is what advanced Java. So we are covering the core Java for whatever important things is required for the Selenium automation testing. That is what we are going to cover. So here, so let us see what are the versions are available for the Java. Okay, so we have the versions, JDK versions. Okay, we required a JDK, right? We required a JDK, Java Development Kit. In that, there are in the versions, okay, JRE, JVM, so that is available. Okay, in the JDK, that is these tools are available to execute, to provide a runtime environment and to execute our Java code. Okay, so if you want to run the C programming language, what you require? C software. For example, Turbo C, right? If you want to run the C++ program, also you want to execute, you want to need to install Turbo C++ or Turbo C in your system, or Dev C++. Okay, so you require this one. So if you want to execute the Python program in your computer, so you require the Python software, right? Similarly, if you want to execute a Java program in your computer, so you require the Java softwares. Okay, so what is Java software you require? That is what JDK. Okay, Java Development Kit. So in that JDK we have the GRE and JVM. So in the JDK that provide the Java runtime environment and JVM also. Okay, so if you install the JDK, so you will get the whole this thing. So then you can execute the Java code. Okay, if you don't have the JDK, then how you are going to execute the Java code? Okay, right? So that software is very important. So we need to install the first JDK and then we are going to execute the Java code. You can write and then execute. Okay, so now what are the versions? Okay, so the most stable version of Java is Java 8. Okay, JDK 8 means Java 8. Okay, Java 8 is the stable version, right? So this is from what? Sun Microsystem. Okay, that is name of the company, Sun Microsystem. So जैसे हम बोलते थे, मीन ओके, सो वैसे हम whenever we say that we are the sun certified. Okay, so it's a certification. Okay, it's an international certification, not national. International Java international certification. Then you can say I am Java certified. Okay, then also the from the Java 9, it is from the Oracle company. Okay, so now it is available in the Oracle company. Okay, and now we have the something minimum version that we required. Okay, so minimum version is required for JDK 11. Okay, minimum version is required JDK 11 for our automation testing, because we are using the Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse for the latest version. Okay, that is preferable. Okay, so we can use here the minimum 11 version JDK 11. Okay, and plus 11 we can also preferable, no problem, means 11 12. Okay, and I think we have the JDK 17 or 20 right now. Okay, so we can use here JDK 20, sorry, JDK 20, 17. Okay, we are going to use the JDK 17, no problem. Okay, so what are the software is required for uh, setting our environment? Okay, now we are going to set up our environment for execution of the Java code. Okay, so we need to have install JDK, then we have Eclipse. Okay, if you don't have the Eclipse, that is also no problem, you can also run the code in the notepad, any editor, any notepad. But why I am taking here the Eclipse? Because I want to do the automation testing in Eclipse. Okay, with Selenium. That's why I am doing the practice. Okay, I am taking your practice in the Eclipse right now. So you will get the familiar with the Eclipse, so that it will it will be very easy to write the code for the automations. Okay, that's why I'm taking that as a practice. Then you can use here the intellectual. Okay, IntelliJ the in IntelliJ idea. Okay, this is also the ID you can use. Okay, so you can use this one or you can use this one, no problem. IntelliJ. Okay, IntelliJ idea. Okay, IntelliJ idea. Okay, GDEA. Okay, IntelliJ. So we can use different one. Okay, whatever you need. So we will go with first Eclipse. Okay, and later you can, after the, if you familiar with the Eclipse, then later you can install the different ID, that is what IntelliJ. Okay, IntelliJ idea, IntelliJ. Okay, that is depend on you. Okay, once you know the one tool, so you can know the different tools. Okay, if you know the one tools very well, so the other tools also you can easily understand. Okay, so now we require such a software. So first of all we need to go for the setup. So how we are going to install the software, means how we need to go, how we are going to download the software first. Okay, so for downloading the software, I'm providing something URL. So first of all we need to go for what, downloading the JDK. Okay, Java. Okay, download this JDK 17. Okay, so let's go to the Google and going to type here for downloading this JDK 17. Okay, so check the URL, download JDK 17. Okay, for Windows, as per your operating system, you can go through here. Okay, downloads, Okay, so this is official website Oracle companies. From here you have to download the JDK 17. Okay, JDK 20 and 17 are now available, so you can select the operating system first. That is what Windows. So, but it's a JDK Java development kit is 20. We required 17. Okay, so here I am the different OS. So let's see Windows OS, and you can check here. We have the some compress archive and installer. Okay, or you can select the IMSI installer. Okay, so this is what zip file, this is what exe file, so that if you install that one, so you can get the installation, right? So this is the link to download this one. Okay, right. Suppose I'm going to just copy and directly paste in the browser. So it's automatically get downloaded, right? So I'm just going to pause here. Okay, so this is the link for the downloading the JDK. Okay, so after downloading you will get the exe file. Okay, exe file, so that you have to double click on that one and you have to just click on next, next, next and finish. Okay, so already I have installed the JDK 17. So I unable to sorry, that's why that will be the override, but I'm going to show you. So just wait. Or can you join with the laptop? You can connect through the laptop so that you will better understand. Okay, because I am waiting. Someone will get connected through the laptop so that the installation and everything will be covered, because this is very important. I am waiting for the Slim also. He is not joining. Okay, just click here. Okay, this is what. Hello, hello. Yeah, Slim. Okay, Slim. Let us see here. We require such a softwares. Okay, for installation. So we require JDK. Okay, JDK software. So these are the version JDK 8.9. Okay, and we have a lot of versions now. Minimum JDK 11 is required. That is preferable. And we have JDK 17. So this software we require to first. Okay, so we can use here the JDK 17. Then we can use the Eclipse or IntelliJ. Okay, IntelliJ. So we are going to use only JDK and Eclipse. These two softwares are required. Okay, so to download the JDK software, JDK 17, we have this link. Okay, so I am going to share this link with you, and you can share your screen, and you have to do the some installation. Okay, so this link is share with you. So kindly share your screen, and I will guide you to install this one. Okay, Slim. Okay, Slim, please share your screen. Okay, please share your screen now. Are you able to share the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Slim, just share your screen. Hi Slim, are you there?
Oh, yes, I'm here. Sorry.
Okay, please share your screen. I have shared the one link on the chat box.
Uh,
Share.
Hold on. I'm just gonna connect my so I can be audible. Can you hear me good
Okay.
like this?
Yeah, you are audible.
But I cannot hear you good. So I'm gonna put my headset on.
Okay. Okay, and just share your screen.
Okay, sure. Can you see my screen now?
Not now.
Hello?
It's not present. We are not
Saying
able
how
to.
how to download those?
Yes, sorry.
I did download the Eclipse already.
Oh no, just share your screen first of all,
Oh,
because we need to do the some installation.
okay, yeah, sure, sure.
Fresh installation we need. Because this setup is very important as a automation testing point of view. So this setup is for the core Java.
Yeah, but
Are you able to share your screen?
yes, I was trying to share my screen, but it's not giving me the option of sharing the screen.
Okay, you can see the present now. There is a one arrow button.
Okay, yeah, okay, share screen.
Okay, so there is a one option present now, and you have the three option after that: Chrome tab, whatever window, then entire screen. Just click on the entire screen, and then click on this window below, and then click on the share.
Let's see what you're talking about.
Have you got that option?
Yes, I see what you're talking, but then it's not giving me option. So entire screen, yes, but it still say cancel.
Okay, so you click on the entire screen, okay, and below just click on that screen. Below the entire screen, you will get the one small window. Just click on that one, and then the share button will get activate. Okay, just click on that.
Ah, okay, yes, okay,
Ha,
yes, yes,
now
yes.
this will get activate, and now click on the share. Okay, so I have share you one link. Just open this browser, because whenever get you will get the job, so you have to do the installation particularly. Means they will not giving you the install or those things. Okay, they will provide a documentation, and they will tell you just install and set up this one. So that's what is the best practice to we have to uh, do the installation by ourselves. Okay, so just open the any browser. Just
Okay.
open, yeah, just open the any browser, and just copy this URL which is I have already shared with you in the chat box. This is for installing the JDK 17.
So we installing JDK 17 specifically.
Yeah, currently we are going to install the JDK 17, and then we are going to install the Eclipse compatible version for the JDK.
I think I already have it. You can check it. Like I
Yeah,
already
that
have
is
it.
okay,
But then,
but that is okay, but we need to do how to install and everything,
oh, there is the
because
process.
this is very important. In the organization, they will give the documentation, they will not give the any installation. You have to install everything properly. Copy that link. Okay, so it's automatically get downloading. It's a JDK 17. Okay, so open this one, and you have to install this the software. Okay, so this setup is very important. Go to the download folder. Okay, this installation is going on. Okay, so whenever you whenever you download the file, you have to just double click on that file. Okay, and this next and we need to do finish, so that the JDK 17 will get installed in your system. So you have to also check the path. Okay, you have to also check the path. So how to set the path, again I am going to tell you. Okay, just wait. Okay, this is successfully installed, right? And we have something. Okay, no problem, just close it. Okay, just to close it. Okay, now open the CMD command prompt. Okay, right there, Java space hyphen 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 version. Okay, version. So let me check which version is selected currently. Okay, just enter. So it's showing what, Java 20. Okay, so the Java 20 is already installed in your system, right? That is latest version, but we don't require the Java 20, we require the Java 17. The currently we have installed which one, Java 17. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to set up the path. Okay, so how to set up the path? So let's go to the C drive. Okay, just go to the C drive. Okay, in C drive, yes. So there is a program files. Okay, 64-bit program files folder. Not this one. It's a 86-bit. Okay, we record 64 bits. We install the 64-bit. Okay, program files above. Yes. Then we have Java. Okay, just see J Java folder. Okay, and we have the 17. Okay, this is what JDK, Java Development Kit. Now just click on the JDK, so you will get a JRE. Click on there, JDK. Yeah, 17. Currently we right now we have installed the 17. You can see here the bean. Okay, include and lib, it's a library, so that is what JR environment also we are getting. Okay, so in the bin we'll get the all these program files will whenever the program we return, so that will store in the bin file. Okay, just click on the bin. Okay, bin folder, and this is what the path. So copy this path now. Okay, yeah, control C, we have to set the path. Okay, control C and then minimize it. Okay, now where is the icon of my computer? Okay, right click on properties, show more option. Okay, show more options. Okay, personalize, go to the personalize. You don't have my computer icon in your desktop, so it will my computer icon, this PC,
Yeah, this PC. Yes.
this PC. Okay, we need to right click on this PC. Don't have this PC, this my PC, this PC. Okay, so and go to the control panel. Okay, this PC. Just right click on that folder, this PC. Just right click. No. Only this PC.
Oh, sorry.
Only on this PC. Just right click on that one. Just right click. So just click on the properties. Okay, go to the properties. Okay, so in that properties, if you find any, scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Okay, scroll down.
That's
That's it.
mean advanced settings.
Yes, advanced system setting, correct. Just click on the advanced system setting. Then we have the,
Environment.
yes, environment variables, correct. Just click on the environment variables, and you can see here the environment variable we need to give the path. Okay, so this is what system variables and users variable. We are not bother about the users variable. You have to set the path for the system variables. Okay, and now scroll down. Is there any Java path is available? Variable name is Java, not available. Okay, so just, is there any path available? Path
I did a home for Java. Yes.
Java home. Okay, just double click on it. Just an edit. Okay, we have this Java. Okay, path. Just edit the path. Just edit. Okay, and you can take here new. Okay, just new and paste here. Yeah. Okay, then okay. Okay, so okay. Yeah, okay again. Yeah, okay again. And now go to the command prompt and let us check that one. Just okay here also. First okay that one. System. Then go to the CMD, and now execute the same command. That should not be the, and no need to write this one. Just you can use the key up or down button. Okay, automatically it will come. Use key up button. Up button, up. Up means not up. We have the four buttons. Right. This one. Enter. Okay. And currently also it's Java 20 is selected. Right. Once again do Java home, and let change that one. Okay. Just minimize, and you have to select that one. You are not selected properly. Okay. Java home. Okay. Just path. Go to the path. Yes, path. Hmm. Edit. Java 17. Okay, just click on the Java 17. Mhm. Last. Okay, and double click on it. Okay, just okay, then okay. Okay, okay. Otherwise, we need to change the Java home. This is system variable. We need to change the user variable also. Okay, we need to change the user variable. Go to the again one more time. System variable, advanced system variable. Okay, and in the system, yeah, Java home. Just double click on there. Edit. Okay, and then you can paste here. Okay, so the variable name should be anything, no problem. You can give the any name. Okay, okay, you can give the any name, no problem. Okay, now let us check one more time. It's 20 now. Just close the command prompt, and then open one more time. It's also giving 20. Okay, just wait, something is happened different. Okay, I'm checking my system. What you need to do, just remove the path of 20 from your environmental variable. Okay, because two values are available there, that's why it's giving the error. I mean, say it's taking only the higher path. Okay, just remove the 20 from uh, okay, remove this Java home value. You already removed that one. Yeah, okay, but there is in the path, go to the in the path. Okay, if you go to the in the path and there is a okay, remove from there. Huh. No, just click on the edit. Click on the edit. Okay, remove only this 20. Just click on the 20 and then you can delete. Click on the delete. Okay, so there is a no JDK versions are available, only one. Okay, now it's okay, so it will be work fine now. Again it's taking for, I don't know how. Okay, one more time you can open. No, don't read. Just click on once again. So user environment, user variable also we are going to change. Okay, just click on the advanced system one more time. Not C, this PC properties. Okay, so just up user variable. No, okay, leave it below part. We have the upper part. You can see user variable for slim, user variable, upper. Ha. So there is a one path. Okay, down path is there. Third one. Yes, click on and click on the edit. Okay, you can see there new. Just click on the new and I'm faced here the path. Okay, okay, okay. Try one more time. Then I will tell you something different one if it's not work. Now it's working.
It's 20.
Against 20, but how? Just close the command prompt and then open. I think this is because of Eclipse.
The one I already have in my system. Should I delete Eclipse?
Just first of all, I have set the path, but the path, why is it not taking the path? That is a more important question. Why it's taking the 20? I don't know. Because we already check the path. Okay, that is not an issue for the Eclipse. Okay, one more. Go to the control panel and just remove the JDK 20. Okay, we don't require for our entire session. Go to the control panel. uninstall program. Back. Click on the programs, uninstall program. Uninstall program. Okay. You can see here the JDK 20, Java 20. And find here Java 20. Yes, the below. Okay. Just double click on it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So from tomorrow, everyone with your installation is mandatory. Yes, Shruti. Okay. Now the JDK 17 is ready. Okay. This is our first stage. Now the next one, we have to install the Eclipse. Okay. Just I am going to share my screen right now. Or otherwise, okay, no problem. Otherwise, I am sharing the links for the Eclipse. Okay. Installation of the Eclipse. Oh, okay. So go. Okay, open this Google tab, type there Eclipse. Okay, this is what Eclipse, and we have to download version. Okay, Eclipse version. Let us see. Package installer. That is what here. Packages. No, 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 no. Eclipse installer. Because they always shows the latest version on the top. Okay, just click on the download package. Okay, you can check here. Uh, Go up. Okay, so in download by 8664, that's we have the one small link there. What is that? Download the package. Okay, below. Yes, just click on that one. Download package. Packages. Okay, just wait now. Okay, so here the installer is available. Okay, trial installer. You'll get.
I can give it a control for the keyboard.
Sorry.
You want the control for the keyboard?
No, no, no problem. Just okay. Eclipse ID for Java developer, right? Just scroll down, little bit, little bit. Okay. Wait. Windows 6484. Okay, so then the first option is okay. The Eclipse ID for Java developer. Okay, you have to download this one. So we have to select the Windows 8664. Okay, that is for this one. Okay, just click on 86 by 8664. download links. Okay, right side there is what download links and 86 and 64. Okay, so we reach 64. Okay, just click on the download. Okay, now the downloading is get started. Eclipse ID. So this is enough. Okay, two things we required, JDK and Eclipse. This is for the entire Java and as well as automation testing. Okay, we are going to perform the automation testing with this one. Okay, so it's downloading. And from so tomorrow means from today we have to write a code. I'm going to give you one code. Okay, so we'll execute the small code, then we'll start the exact on from tomorrow's. Okay, it's downloaded.
Right click.
Just double click on there. Okay, so there is a one Eclipse application. Okay, just double click on that one. You can see here the Eclipse application type. Okay, yeah, two. So anyone, yeah, from the anyone you can click on. It will be open the Eclipse. Uh, so zip one. Okay, click on the run. Eclipse. What is Eclipse executed launcher was unable to locate. Okay, it's completely downloaded. Below application below. Yeah, just click on there. Also showing the compressed zip file. The Eclipse executable launcher was unable to locate its component share. Okay, so can you remove your previous Eclipse
Oh, no, sure. So we have to do flow pan or two.
program?
Just delete.
Yeah, control panel. Is there any option for the Eclipse you can see and just remove? A B C D E. After D, there will be the, I think this is installer package, though that is not required. That is not available here. It's not available. Maybe not available
So just
because.
copy.
Hmm. So if you double click on this Eclipse, okay, just double click on that one. Let us see what will happen. Eclipse 23. Both are same. Okay, this Eclipse and this Eclipse both are same. But we have just install like this way. So just wait. It will take just more time. Uh, okay. So have you did anything here?
Yeah, I was messing with some stuff.
Okay. So okay. Just create a new project. Okay, and you can open this window large. Okay, just remaining window you can close, which is not important. Okay, so create okay, just close it one more time. Okay, I'm going to show you.
Sorry.
Just click file, go to the file. Okay, and then new and Java project. Okay, select the Java project. Later we see Maven project and all. And here is what project name. So you can give the project name Java classes or something. Okay, Java classes. Okay, then next, just click on the next. Okay, finish. So now the Java project is created. Okay, Java classes, sorry, Java classes project, and now there is a SRS folder automatically is available, SRS and JRE. So Java runtime environment libraries are there, and SRS is a source file. Just right click on that one, SRS, and we need to create a right click on this one, we need to create a package. Okay, right click on that one, new. Okay, just new, and we have to click on the package. Okay, that is what package. Okay, and give the package name. This is what day one. Okay, day one. Oh, it's a day two or day two? Day two. Okay, day two. Two, you can use the two as a digit. Okay, ha. Okay, just let me finish. Okay, so this is what package info. How it is a okay, and automatically we got there the file package.info. So just right click and delete that one because you are using the higher version of Eclipse. Okay, just delete that file, and you can the console, then test ng, you can remove that one. Okay, so that you will get the code in the larger space. You can remove the console you can drop down here. Okay, no problem. So I can see, just click on here day 2. Okay, you can close the all this thing. Okay, you can minimize this package project. Okay, so day 01. Okay, this is the package, and in that package you are going to write Java code. Okay, first of all you can minimize this one. Okay, April 2022 form you can minimize means this one tree. Okay, just click on this down arrow, it will be collapse. Okay, upper April 2022 you have to here. This is the name na, April 2022 series, form series. Just click on, yes, up, yes, just okay. And now open our Java classes project. Okay, so now day 2. So just right click and create a class file, new class file. Okay, this is what class. Yes. Okay, so now you have to give the class name. You can give the class name as a Java demo 1. Okay, that is what a file name, demo 1, demo 1. Don't give the space for the file name in between. Okay, that is okay. So here we need to add public static void main method. Okay, just click on the public static void main. Click on public static void main. Okay, below, yes, this is main method we required. Now click on the finish. Okay, so here what we got here, the package. Okay, so your code is available in the package day2. Okay, and public class. So for the main, for the Java we have the class name method. That's what public is a access specifier. We will see later, don't worry, what is public, what is private, everything that is we are going to see. Why we are going to write here the public class something. Okay, this is general syntax. And public static void main is what? Main method. Okay, public is the access specifier, static what it is used to load the program to the JVM, and void is the return type, and main is the main program, main function. Okay, so string is the arguments, string array, and that is what argument. Okay, so we can use this public static void main the four ways. Okay, as a four ways you can write the public static void main. That is I am going to show you in the detail later. Okay, because we are not going to become a Java developer, we are just testers. Okay, we are using the Java as a automation. Okay, so for any, if you want to learn in the any deep, you can ask me after learning the Java, you can ask me the deep questions of the Java. So later then I will explain. So right now not required. If I explain right now, you will also forget. Okay, so here I want to print here the something message. So which method is used? System dot, and Java is the case sensitive. Okay, Java is the case sensitive, right? So whatever the yesterday we have written one program, that the same program we are writing here. Okay, so just write here system dot, system means S capital. Okay, system S capital, it should be capital S, system. Okay, just okay dot. So we required here what? Auto populate code is available. Okay, so Eclipse will help you to get the code. Okay, out, out, system dot out, out. Okay, out dot dot print ln. Okay, system is what is system, what is out, and what is the print, I will again explain. Okay, but this is not a right time to explain this one. Each and everything I will explain, but later. Okay, print ln, print ln of string. Yes, and in that one, in the double quote, not a single quote. Okay, in the double quote, in that we can display the one message inside one, in the double quote. Okay, you can write there the welcome to Java. Okay, so this message will be displayed on your screen. Okay, welcome to Java. Okay, so now we can save. And how we are going to execute in the Eclipse? Just right click. Okay, you can control here save and just right click, and there is one option run as. Okay, you can see the option run as. Okay, just run as and Java application. Okay, just click on the Java application. Okay, so this code will be executed, and in the console window you will get the welcome to Java, right? Yes.
Yes.
So this is the output. So whatever you are going to write in the system.out.println, this should be displayed in your output box. This is our first program. Have you understood how you are going to write the code? First of all, we need to make the one project. Okay, in that project we have to create one package. Okay, so day2 is the package name. Inside the package we created the class file, and then we write the code, we written the code. And now tomorrow you don't need to create a second project. Okay, you don't need to create a second project. Just in that you have to create a second package. SRC is the source code. Okay, you have to create the day3 package. In the day3 you can add the multiple programs. So up to here is clear? Yes, so this installation is required. Okay, Eclipse is required, JDK and Eclipse is required. So everyone with this installation is must be required. Okay, so that we can go forward, right? So now I am going to share my screen, and now your setup is ready. Okay, just now we are going to learn the some concept of the Java programming.
How can I move the console to the bottom?
Sorry, what happened?
I said, how can I move the console to the bottom?
To the bottom.
To the bottom. Yes.
Okay, just share your
Like
screen
right.
once again. Once again, share your screen. Okay, okay. I am okay. So I can see your screen.
Sharing. So should I just drag it here?
What is your question? I not understand. What
I'm trying to move the
below? You
screen.
want to console window
Yeah,
down?
below. Yes.
There is an
Yes.
option. Okay, just close this console window.
For this one.
Uh, Close this console window. Okay, and we have the some options in the windows. Okay, let me share my screen. I will show you. Okay,
Awesome.
on my Eclipse, I will show you. Okay, so just I'm going to open my Eclipse here. Okay, this is Eclipse, and right now you have installed this one. Install means just download it. Okay, so there is one application, and you have to click on here. And why it's showing the error? Because already Eclipse you have. That's why it's giving the an error. Okay, this is different version. This is different version. That's why. So once you deleted that one, so you will get. Okay, sorry. Once again, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so it's all launching this workspace. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, so it's opening now. So what is Eclipse? Eclipse is the ID. It is provide an integrated development environment for Java. Okay. So now do you want like this way screen? Okay, you can
Oh yeah,
also
yes, that's our yes, just like
okay.
that, yes.
So you can customize your font. Okay, you can customize your size for everything. Yes, background also. If you want to change your background, you can. Okay, so here are the some projects. And if you want to make it as console window in down, you can see my console window is here. Okay, in the downside. Okay, this terminal console window. So we have the window options. Okay, so here are the something options will be available in short menus. Okay, so you can delete the console from here. Okay, so see here, that was your option, right? Hello, Salim. Hello, Salim. Are you there?
Yes, 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 I'm
So
watching.
yeah, I think you are looking like this way now. So just you
Yeah,
can
yes, mine was like that, yes.
so we can drop here. Okay, so you can see that some more options are available here. Okay, pin console, display selected console, open console. Okay, minimize and maximize. So if you click on the minimize, okay, that is not work. Okay, so here what you need to do. Okay, so that's what happened here. Okay, all these windows are available here, right? So you have to just drag here in the below. Okay, so just click on here and you can drag, or you can see. So we have the option that one, no problem. You can keep in your bottom side. Okay, so you can click on here and can make in this bottom side. Okay, so you can make in the bottom side, right? Just click on this and drop in below. Okay, and just you can click on here, so that you will get like a window. You can open the different two windows also. Okay, see here. Okay, you can make as per your convenient point of view. Okay, you can see, right? And if you want to increase here the font size, so you can go through here, windows and appearance, or sorry, preference. Go to their preference and you can just select the font option will be there, general. Okay, in general, just click on the general and appearance something. Okay, here is the appearance, color and font. Okay, so you can change the color and font size. Okay, in the below you can see the wiki text font something. Okay, and here is the font type and font size. Okay, so that from here you can edit. Okay, color and font. Okay, yes, can increase the font also right now.
Yes.
So now I am going to create a new project here. Okay, see, I have opened my Eclipse and I am going to create a new project, and the project is what, general. Okay, not I am going to select a general, I am selecting what, Java project. Options are very important, what we are selecting here, Java project. Then next. Okay, and then you will get such a option. Okay, and you have to write your project name. So I am writing here what, Java classes. Okay, Java classes is my project name. Okay, so now just click on the next, don't do anything, and it comes with the SRS folder. Okay, and just finish here. Okay, so now here the Java classes folder is going to become created. Okay, and now you can see here JDK 17 is available. Okay, this is JRE files, and here automatically one file is available something. Okay, so just I am going to delete that one. Okay, previous one. So now there is a no file is available in SRS. So just I am going to right click and I am creating the one file. Okay, so we have to create a class. Okay, so we have to write here the class name. What are the class name? I am writing here the demo. Uh, okay, demo one. First of all, we need to create a package. Okay, sorry. So in the SRS folder, I want to create a package. So just create a package. Okay, this we need to do the same process in the automation testing. So in the SRS, we need to create one package. So what is the package name I am to giving here? So day 2. Okay, or day 2, right? Just finish. And the package I am going to write here what, file. Okay, so just create what, class. To the package, just right click on the package and click the class. Okay, click on the class. So now you can provide her the class name. That is very very important. So class name is what, demo. Okay, demo 1 I am going to write here, demo 1. So an option, you have to click on the public static void main. This is main method, you have to select. Okay, this is important, you have to select the main method, public static void main. Then click on the main method and just finish. So automatically code will be generated. Okay, so this is what, demo.java, and you can see the package which is available in the automatically imported package. Public class name is what, demo one, and there is a one main method, that is what, public static void main. In the C we have the main method, C++ also main method, also the Java we have the public static void main. This is main method, and this is what, comments. To do auto generated methods are available. Now we know only the one method, so that I am writing here system.out.println. Okay, I am going to displaying something output here. So this is what, one one, what is that, one statement I have written, and I am writing here, welcome everyone. Okay, so two statement I have written here, and just save it one and just click on the right click and run. Okay, run as Java application. So if you click on the run as Java application, so let us see the output on the console. What output will be displayed? Okay, so click on the console. So you will see here the output is what? Welcome and everyone. Okay, so this is our first Java code, right? This is our first Java code. Okay, this one. So this is what comment. Comment is not going to execute. So what are the different types of comments we have? Okay, that we are going to see in the next class. Okay, you can see the steps here. Okay, first of all, we need to create what steps? We create a new Java project that we already create, right? Then create a new Java package, right? Under which where SRS folder. Okay, got it? Under the SRS folder. Then create a new class. Okay, these are the steps we have did, and we return the code and we executed. Okay, we perform these steps. Now in the next class tomorrow we are going to see what are the rules. Okay, that is okay. So here the how we can write the rules for the class name, rules for class name. Okay, for class name, that is very important. So we don't need to give the space between the two numbers, sorry, two words. Okay, so the class name, the class name, that is the rules for the identifier. The class name should start with upper case. Okay, always use the word uppercase, but if you use the lowercase letter, that is also no problem. Okay, if you use the lowercase letter, that is also no problem, but don't use. Okay, so the class name, this one class name. Okay, you can see the first letter is always capital. You can see the class name is always capital class. Okay, whenever you are going to create a new class, okay, just click on the new class. So you can see here the name should be, first letter should be capital. If you use the small letter also no problem. Okay, but use the first letter capital. That is standard notation. Okay, that is the rules. Okay, use that is standard practice. Okay, uppercase, the class name should be, class name should start with the uppercase. Okay, class name should not start with number. Okay, don't start with the number, but later you can use the number. Okay, then class name contains underscore. Okay, that is valid. You can use the underscore in between the uh, class name,
No space.
but no white space. Okay, a special character is not allowed. Okay, that is a rule for the identifiers. Okay, special character except underscore. Underscore is also the special character, but except the underscore, the special character not allowed, means dot something. Okay, then class name contains numbers, no problem. We can use the numbers in the class name. Okay, already we have used the number in the class name, isn't it? Okay, you can use, we are using the class name number, right? Okay, but there is a one standard notation for writing the class name. We cannot start with the numbers. Okay, The first letter should be capital. If you use return the small case, that is also no problem, but that should not be start with the numbers. Okay, and we can start with the underscore, no problem. In between we can give the underscore, but this is not valid because this is the space between the two words. Okay, so if you want to use the space, then you can use the underscore in between, so that it's become a single notation. Okay, so underscore is valid. Then you cannot use the special character. Suppose this is what at the rate, we cannot use here. Okay, so we have the something rules for writing the class name. So always use the valid class name for writing. Okay, so that is your class name is .java file. That will be the your Java file. The class name will be your .java files. Okay, so in the next class we are going to learn what is a comments. Okay, how we can use the comments. This is also the comment. You can see to do auto generated method stuff. Okay, so this is what double line here. So that means this is what single line comment. Double line to single line comment. Okay, there are two types of comments: single line comment and multi line comment. Suppose if you want to use the multi line comment, then you can use the slash asterisk asterisk slash. Okay, this one. So that we are going to see in the next class. Okay, then we are going to start the concept of the Java. Okay, we learn the Java concept and also we execute the code. Okay, we write the code and you can also uh, learn this concept. Okay, so today we are going to stop here.